Hi, my name's Steve Hartles and I'm a model car builder. In particular, I focus on early Edwardian vehicles which I scratch build, primarily using timber, brass and leather. I've been building cars now for around 6 years. Typically they will take around 2 years to build, given other demands on my time. And in the last 6 years I've built 3 cars. I'm currently working on a 1913 Dion Truck, and that will be the topic of future videos that I will post here on Facebook. There is access to my other builds if you care to go to my Facebook page, Edwardian Scale Motor Cars. So what follows is the some pictures of the vehicles that I've built previously, hopefully for you to admire. Thank you. This is the first model that I built, and it's a model of a 1903 Arrow Johnson dog cart. Yes, it really was called a dog cart. The vehicle is mostly built out of timber and brass, as you can see. In reality, on the real vehicle, all the brass parts would be made of would be painted black and made of iron, but as you can see on my model, I chose quite deliberately to leave the vehicle in its original brass state when I built it. So that's the 1903 Arrow Johnson dog cart model. This is the second model I made, and is a model of an 1898 Panhard et Levasseur. The car is, as you can see, predominantly made of brass, leather and wood. This car took around about 2 years to build. It was quite complicated, so for example you can see the rear seat cushions that had to be manufactured. This particular model also has an engine, which I can show you just there. So it has an engine under the bonnet. The previous vehicle I showed didn't have an engine because there was no way really to access it. So there's the engine, and hopefully you can see the radiator, which required me to make around 600 small circular gills to complete it. So this model is of my 1903 Richard Brazier car. The car was built at 8th scale, so it is rather large, as you can probably see. And of course, building a car in the bigger scale means that you have to just apply more attention to the detail of the vehicle. But there it is, my 1903 car, and as I say, if you want to see a lot of the build videos, they're available on my Facebook page, Edwardian Scale Motor Cars.